Did you know that one Finnish farmer became so deadly that the entire Soviet army feared his name? Meet Simo Häyhä, known as the White Death. During Finland's Winter War in 1939, this 5-foot 3-inch farmer became history's most lethal sniper. In just 100 days of fighting, he achieved 505 confirmed kills using only basic iron sights on his rifle. The temperatures dropped to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, but Häyhä adapted like no other soldier. He packed snow in his mouth so his breath wouldn't give away his hiding spot. He made his own white camouflage to blend perfectly with the frozen landscape. The Soviets were so terrified of this one man that they sent entire counter-sniper teams and called in massive artillery strikes just to eliminate him. On March 6, 1940, a Soviet sniper finally hit him in the face, blowing off part of his jaw. But Häyhä survived, recovered completely, and lived to age 96. He rarely spoke about his incredible wartime actions, remaining humble until his death.